Welcome back to the classroom. Today's topic is the study of integrated circuits. What is integrated circuits? In this class, we will discuss the various categories of integrated circuits. We will begin by providing an overview of ICs followed by a detailed examination of each type. Finally, we will conclude the topic by exploring their applications as well as the advantages and disadvantages of associated with integrated circuits. Integrated circuits are a significant subject in the field of digital electronics. Digital electronics deals with a binary system where 0 and 1 are used to represent all analog waveforms in a digital format. An integrated circuit, in simple terms, refers to a small and inexpensive electronic circuit that contains both active and passive components, all constructed on a single crystal silicon substrate. These circuits are primarily composed of semiconductor material. There are three major types of integrated circuits, which are digital integrated circuit, analog integrated circuit, and mixed integrated circuit. This video is sponsored by Genreviews. Integrated circuits are further divided based on many parameters. They are based on application, based on technology, and based on the integration level. First one is digital integrated circuits. The digital design approach is employed to produce various integrated circuits utilized in computer memories like RAM and ROM as well as in microprocessors. This approach improves both the density of circuits and overall effectiveness. The ICs created through this approach function with binary input data. Next one is analog integrated circuits. An analog design is a term used to describe the procedure of developing integrated circuits capable of dealing with continuous signals. These ICs are utilized in various functions such as amplification, filtering, regulation, and oscillation. Unlike digital ICs, which only process two inputs, analog ICs can handle a wider range of voltage levels. Next one is mixed design. In this method, the integrated circuits will incorporate both analog and digital design principles on a single chip. This integration will enable the mixed ICs to handle both analog and digital signals, making them more suitable for applications that involve interfacing between the analog and digital domains. There are two categories of integrated circuit depending on their use. These categories are, first one is linear integrated circuits and second one is digital integrated circuits. Linear integrated circuits have an unlimited range of continuous input and output status. Linear integrated circuits can be further classified into general purpose. Examples include IC 555. Special purpose. Examples include LM380, which is used for audio amplification. Next is digital integrated circuits. Digital integrated circuits have a limited number of distinct input and output status. Next is the type of integrated circuits. There are two types of integrated circuits, monolithic technology and hybrid technology. In monolithic technology refers to the design of complete circuits on a single piece of silicon or semiconductor material. An example of this is the operational amplifier IC741. Under that, there are two types of monolithic technology, bipolar and unipolar. In bipolar technology, bipolar transistors are used as the main device in saturated logic families. These transistors act as switches and are operated in either the saturation or cutoff region. An example of a saturated bipolar logic is TTL, where the transistors are not driven into hard saturation, resulting in increased speed of operation. Bipolar technology can be further divided into two types: PN junction isolation and dielectric isolation. In unipolar technology, MOS, field effective transistor, means MOSFETs are used. There are three logic families within the MOS category: PMOS, NMOS, and CMOS. PMOS is the oldest and slowest type. NMOS is used in the LSI field for microprocessors and memories, and CMOS uses a push-pull arrangement of N-channel and P-channel MOSFETs and is extensively used in low-power consumption devices such as pocket calculators. Unipolar technology can be further divided into two types: FET and UJT. Next is hybrid technology. Hybrid technology, it is a ceramic substrate that allows many silicon chips. It can also use mixed technology like silicon chips. Next is advantages of integrated circuits. Number one, the integrated circuit consumes minimal power. Number two, the integrated circuit is highly reliable. Number three, the integrated circuit is affordable. Number four, the integrated circuit operates at a high speed. Next is the disadvantages of integrated circuits. Number one, transformers and inductance do not recognize the existence of integrated circuits. Number two, if any part of the integrated circuit malfunctions, the entire circuit needs to be substituted. Number three, integrated circuits lack adaptability. Next is the digital logic families in the integrated circuits. TTL means transistor logic, refers to a logic system where logic gates are constructed using transistors. This naming convention is due to the reliance on transistors in the design. The fundamental gate utilized in TTL circuit is the NAND gate. Various TTL families exist, each with their own unique characteristics and specifications. Following are the TTL families: standard TTL, speed TTL, low power TTL, Schottky TTL, low power Schottky TTL, advanced Schottky TTL, advanced low power Schottky TTL, and fast Schottky TTL. This is the brief study of integrated circuits. Thank you for watching.